Hello everyone, myself Vandana, final year BSc Agriculture student from College of Agriculture, Raichuru. Currently undergoing experiential learning program 405, that is floriculture and landscaping. From last 2 months we are learning and practicing about propagation and production of ornamental plants. Now I am here to explain about the most beautiful palm, that is lady palm or bamboo palm. Its botanical name is Rhapis excelsa. It belongs to the family Araceae. So, this palm is a tropical plant which is little bit different from other palm, and basically the difference is only in the shape of the leaves. So, this palm is mostly indoor plant because it requires low sunlight or indirect sunlight, and it is low maintenance plant as well. It is a slow growing plant, and I would like to talk about its growth conditions like temperature, sunlight, humidity, and soil conditions. First of all, temperature. As I said, it is a tropical plant. It requires 15 to 27 degrees centigrade temperature, and sunlight. It requires filtered sunlight or indirect sunlight. And humidity. This is a humidity loving plant, so it up to 60% it requires humidity. Well drained soil it requires, as well it is a drought tolerant plant. Now let us know about the propagation method of the lady palm. This palm is propagated through divisions or offset. It contains rhizome based root system which make it easy to divide. So when the rhizome grow out, it gives the branches, and that branches are lifted and planted as a new plant. Let us know about the benefits or uses of lady palm. It is an excellent air purifier which removes toxic gases like formaldehyde. It is a low maintenance plant, as well it is a drought tolerant plant, and it requires low light or indirect sunlight. It gives an attractive tropical feeling inside the house.